Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your new pick a card reading. Is he or she the one for you, friends? Yes, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like and share, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. Subscribe, like, and share, friends. And also, friends, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And friends, to buy a personal reading, visit our website, join us on Instagram. And also, the May Pick a Card readings have started, so check them out. And I post daily, so you can, visit our channel daily. So to get more guidance, everyday readings. And also, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And timeless reading, friends, so whenever you come across this reading, it is going to help you out, friends. And also, I'll be putting some love messages as you all requested. So, oh my god, I hope you are all doing well, friends. Stay positive. Times are tough, but it is time to stay positive. It is time to stay strong, because we are going to make it through these times. Also, yes, I promise you that we made it through 2020. So this year also we're gonna make it through. And we're gonna get stronger, friends. So don't worry, stay positive, keep supporting. I need your love and support at this time. So yes, support, like, share, and let's begin. Let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful silver leaf. Option number 2, this beautiful red leaf. It's very sparkly. Option number 3, the golden leaf. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, so you can directly choose from there. If you want, you can watch more, you can choose more than one, and you can also watch the entire video. So yes, you can also watch all the 3 piles. So yes, let's see option number 1. Who is he or she the one for you? Let's see. So for those who choose option number 1, this beautiful silver leaf, let us see, is he or she the one for you? I think this could have been like this, a beautiful heart, hanging hearts. It could have been like that. Okay, these are your extra oracle messages and love messages we're gonna see shortly, and some other messages I'll pull live also, so don't worry, I'll be shuffling live also. Let's see, is he or she the one for you? Ooh, my god. Alright, so currently you definitely are confused about this person, or I feel like you are confused, and this person is also confused whether what to do about this relationship. I also feel like it is not like you are confused, it is more like this person is confused too. They are in double minds about this relationship. The person you are with, your crush, your twin flame, soulmate, whoever. This person could be anybody. Your crush, your soulmate, twin flame, ex-lover, past lover, husband, ex-husband, wife, so it can be anybody. But I feel like more than you are also confused about this connection. But this person is giving you mixed signals. This person is giving you mixed signals. They are in double minds about this thing. Also, it is like this person is, they know something about this connection, but they just don't want to believe it, or they just don't want to agree to it. It is like they know that they are your twin flame, they know they are the one for you. It is like they know you are perfect for them, but it is just that this person has some issues about expressions, about talking. I also see number 2 as like, oh, shoo, silence, don't talk. So this person is ultra quiet. They are definitely giving you mixed signals. You are not sure what to do about this person. This person is confusing. Let's see. Oh my god, the tower. So you may have met this person out of the blue, or you may have had a tower moment, a brutal ending with this person. I also feel that maybe in the past you guys separated. But this person wants to come back towards you, they want to be with you, but they are still unsure. This person is always walking on two boats. This person is always about, should they or shouldn't they? It's like they are giving you mixed signals, trust me. And this tower is like, if this is a new person, you have met them out of the blue. And if this is an old person, you definitely had a very sudden breakup with them, a very sudden fight or an argument. Maybe recently you fought with this person, but now you are like, is this the one? Why they keep fighting with me? This is definitely not the one, because they keep fighting with me. So let's see, is he the one or she's the one? Wow, Seven of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel that this person and this relationship has potential, if you both can be patient about it, and if you both can invest more time and energy and clarity, especially a person who doesn't talk and communicate properly. I feel like this person talks more. I don't know how to say this. Your person talks very aggressively, or they talk much more when there is a mess or there is a problem, but usually they don't communicate like, see, hi, how are you doing? They don't say those things, but when there is a fight, they will say 100 things. So that is an imbalance, that is an imbalance. So definitely there is potential in this connection, but you have to work on this. Your person definitely has to work on it. And you may be waiting for this person to apologize to you, or you're waiting for them to return back to you. I also see this person is also trying to come back or re-enter your life in some way. They are waiting and watching. Let's see what else. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. This person is highly independent, and I also feel our viewers have also chosen, starting to choose themselves. So this is like two power couples. You guys are very independent. You both are very, very workaholics. You both are strong and confident and independent people, strong-willed people. So definitely this person sees you are the one for them, because why? Because you are very successful. You have all the money, you have all the luck, you have everything going for your life. Everything is working out, and this person is working hard for everything. They have to work hard, they have to achieve things right now, but they see that you are above them and you are perfect. So they see that you are the one. It is the other way around, actually. I also feel like this person values you a lot, respects you a lot. They see that you are quite a catch for them. They see you have the potential. They want to. I think you are known like you are not impressed by ordinary things. And this person wants to impress you. They want to win you. They want to serenade you. They want to have you some way or the other, because they see you are the sugar mama, sugar daddy. This person is like, you are the one for them. They are like the other way around. Judgment. Yeah, this person could have been married in the past, or they are going through some legal issues or some legal battles, some hardships in their life. I also feel like you don't trust this person at all. They may have done something to make you feel upset about them, make you feel they have done something that your views about this person has changed. Like earlier you might have kind of liked this person, but now you are like, nah, this person is in double minds, they just fight, they don't value me. So your views about this person has changed. But I feel like this person is somebody who is also judgmental, kind of like, how do I say? They are very strong-willed, just as you are. So, they are also very, they are not quick to change. This person, when they make an opinion, they keep it for long. So, I do feel that this is a destined relationship in some way or the other. Yes, this relationship has the potential, but there are definite issues that both of you need to sit and work it out. Let's see what is this judgment about. I do feel you had a past with this person, and it has not been a sweet past. So that needs to be, rearranged. That needs to be healed. What is what is about, and this person is also judgmental, they are also like strong, opinionated, orthodox. So they want to follow it, they want to be independent, but they don't want you to be independent. So that is the energy, two independent forces coming together, the fire and the water. So both are very independent. You see how oceans are infinite, you see how fire is infinite, you see how volcanoes are infinite. Oh my god, so two potential big forces coming together. Lilies, yes, you had a past with this person, maybe a past life, or maybe in this life you have a past with this connection. But I do feel they like you a lot. Lilies are spiritual love. Lilies are like they look up to you. They feel very inspired by you. They feel you are the perfect one for them. The tree, yes, this person definitely wants to lay a foundation with you. They want, a relationship with you. Oops, sorry, friends. Clarify the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, dog. They have a strange loyalty towards you. Even though they may not show it often, even though they may not say it often, even though they have done something to upset you, they know that you are somebody very loyal, our viewers, and they also want to be loyal towards you. You see this dog feels like it's crying almost in its eyes. So they definitely are crying. If they let you down in some way, this person is sorry, definitely. I feel it's the other way around. Rather than you feel confused about this person. You are not sure of this person, but your person feels you are the one for them. Two of Wands, yes, you want maturity from this person. You are like, I'm done with your games, I'm done with your confusion, I'm done with waiting and watching. Why don't you take a move? So you want maturity, you want stability in this connection, and I do see there is potential here. But let's see. The Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel you have started to choose yourself, friends. Definitely. You are so in such a powerful energy pile, number one, that this person is completely head over heels in love with you. They are completely unsure, they are completely taken over by how to win you. They don't know what to do. If this person has messed it up, they have fallen more in love with you. If they broke your heart, they are beating themselves because they want you now. They see you as this queen, they see you as this king who has everything, and they want you so badly. And they see that you have everything. It would be perfect if they were with you. You can handle anything, all sorts of stress, all sorts of pressures. So you are the one for them rather than they are the one for you. You don't like that person, I feel. You feel you have some judgments, opinions about this person. Yeah, because they keep coming in and out of your life. They had a tower movement with you. I don't think so you like them, but they like you. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. The Star, yes, this person also finds that you're very, very creative. You both could be very creative. I also feel this could be a twin flame connection where this person is married or they left you, even though the connection was great between you and them. I do feel there is a chance of a renewal, there is a chance of things getting better between you and them. I also feel that you guys talk or communicate more through telepathy, through, dreams, messages, and the more you love yourself, the more this connection will grow. I also feel this person wants to, share their heart. They want to say those things which they have not said about you, about themselves, about the past. They need to reveal themselves, they want to be with you. They are also obsessed with your body, I feel. Yes, Five of Wands. There is a lot of opposites attract passion here. This person, the more they fight with you, the more they fall in love with you. So, which is kind of interesting because they are like, maybe you guys are opposites or you guys are two strong forces. So, they definitely fall in love with you many times over when they see you, like, in your beauties. When they see you as very successful, they fall in love with you. They keep falling in love with you. But at the same time, there are definite difference of opinion between you and them. Like you think north, they say south. That's how you guys are opposites. If they say east, you're gonna go west. So, but there is also attraction, there is also a spiritual love here, there is also a lot of chemistry, sexual chemistry. So they feel, I feel this person feels you are the one for them rather than you feeling like they are the one for you. They want you to have patience, they want to win you, they want to make this connection work. Is he or she the one for Abhi? Oh my god, let's see what these wanna come out. Legacy of light, number 7. Yeah, I do feel that you have a strong past life connection with this person, you and your guides, your ancestors. I also feel maybe once you were married with this person, or this person could be your ex-husband, wife, or you have discussed marriage with this person. Definitely this is one of the important relationships of your life, and they feel very inspired. Your person is like, yes, you are the one for them. Defend to the end, the worthwhile. This person definitely wants to protect this connection. Number 23 is important. Number 7, July month is also important, or 7 could be a date for you. Defend to the end, the worthwhile. Yeah, this person is crying, they want to protect this connection, they want to come back, they want to be with you, they don't want to leave you and go anywhere. If they left you, they are desperately want to come back towards you. Trust in yourself, number 31. So I definitely feel that if you feel that this person is confusing or not the right one for you, trust yourself, friends, because definitely this connection has a lot of potential, but you need to trust yourself. And your person is like, they don't believe in themselves, like they feel you are out of their reach. They feel like, oh, you want commitment but they can't commit, they are in double mind. So they have to trust in themselves, they have to trust in themselves. You both have to listen to your intuition seriously in this connection. Let's see what else. Growth. Yes, there is a chance of a growth in this connection. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Very much so. Even though, whether you stay connected or not with this person, this relationship is very important for you, because this is helping you both to grow, connect with your spirituality, connect with your power, your independence, acceptance. Yes, you guys are different, friends. You guys are definitely absolutely poles apart. Oh god, and you have to accept this thing. You have to accept the past, or maybe let it go. There are differences, certain differences. And you have to, I don't know, it's not like you have to, but your person isn't perfect. That's what I would say. They find that you are perfect, but nobody is perfect, not to judge you or anything. It's like you are also human. They might be expecting you to be extraordinary, like someone who can't get angry, someone who is always forgiving, someone who is always kind. But maybe you chose yourself, or you became angry, or you told this person some truths and this person doesn't like it. They have to accept you as you are, just as you are. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Yes, I do feel this connection has a lot of potential, but there are certain things that you need to both work on. And they feel you are the one for them. Let's see what else. Divine love, number 31. So we have 31, 31 twice, and look at that, both have ladies and both are looking in some specific ways. So definitely this is a divine love connection, and you guys could be twin flames, married, husband, wife, or you have a strong past life connection with each other. And there is a lot of potential in this connection, but it needs to work on. You both have to work on it. It's not just gonna happen overnight. You will have to both work on it. And let's see what else. Giving and receiving. So yeah, this is the balance of giving and receiving is off balance in this connection. Like, one of you gives a lot, the other person doesn't give at all. One of you is one of you is talking, the other is silent. The one is there always, the other keeps going in and out. So this is You really have to work on balancing this connection, and your person definitely has to work on it. It's not our viewers which need to work. I feel it is more this person who needs to work on expressions, work on communicating, giving you back all the love they have for you. And let's see the advice. Ooh, transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. So, definitely, there is a huge potential in this connection of change, of beneficial, important changes. I do feel this connection has a chance of a renewal or a deep relationship. It has that potential to be a long lasting relationship for you both. Also, you do have some, contract with each other, some soul contract to be there for each other. Another thing is that both of you will be, this connection is very necessary because your person feels you are the one for them. You're perfect for them, perfect in every way, more than perfect, in fact. You both are vital for each other because, once you meet and are in this relationship, or, once you had contact with this person, things will start to change for you as a person and for your lover too. So, this is an important connection. Some sort of a change is coming, a fresh new way of living emerges. Let's take some romance angels and then we're gonna take your love messages. What will is he or she the one for our viewers? Okay, divine timing. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So, definitely, I do feel that this is an important connection, and definitely, there is a chance or scope of this connection getting better, and it will happen with perfect timing. I do feel this person needs to go through a massive change to become your perfect person. They are changing. But maybe they are a little resistant or hesitant, but I do feel when the time is right, they will be yours. Love yourself first. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. So, yes, the more you love yourself, the more this person is gonna fall in love with you. The more you love and choose yourself, the more they're gonna be yours. Release your ex, the time has come. I do feel this is the card for your person. They are stuck on something because Two of Swords, it's like, I don't know, should I leave the past person? Should I leave my marriage? I don't know. So I feel this person, your person needs to release some baggage from the past. They need to have a change. And I feel you also need to let go of the past for this connection to work out. There is a huge potential. They definitely feel you are the one for them. In fact, better than the one for them. Let's see some romance angels messages, love messages. Let's see from your person. Okay. Oh my god, let's see. Let's take these cards. Lots of them have dropped out. Okay, let's see. Value. You value everything I share. Yes, I do feel this person really respects you because you have really, valued this person. You always respect whatever they have to say or not to say. You have shown this person a new way of life. Let's see what else. Precious, you are so precious to me, sweet as can be, a baby of mine. Wow, they definitely feel you are very precious. Choice, love is a choice. I choose you. Oh my god, they definitely want to choose you, friends. Best friend, you are my best friend ever. Oh my god, that's so sweet. They definitely feel you are their best friend. Probably that is the confusion. Like they don't want to ruin the friendship with you, or maybe they are friends, so they have this problem to be your friend, to be your lover, that kind of a thing. Quite each other's fears. Yeah, I do feel this person has some sort of a fear. They are scared, they are a bit nervous. Maybe they had a fight with you, maybe they left you in the past, so they are like, how do I come back now? Numb. I got numb when you kiss me. Oh my god. This is so sweet, friends. I do feel this person really loves you, and I keep getting that song Coldplay, the Comfortably Numb song. I do feel this person likes rock music, soft rock or pop rock, rock music, Coldplay, Comfortably Numb. There are many other bands. I think Pink Floyd. This person is into those kind of music, or definitely they think about you like that. So that's it for now, friends. Do let me know if you enjoyed this reading and subscribe, like, and share. Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see who is he or she the one for you. Let's see that. If you chose this beautiful red leaf, let's see, is he or she the right one for you? Let's see. And we're gonna look at the love messages here and some extra oracle cards. Let's see. And romance angels messages also. So is he or she the one for you? All right. Okay. Well. I see this person is definitely manifesting you. Or this person is an answer to your manifestations. This is definitely somebody whom you have prayed and they have come into your life, or they have prayed for somebody like you and you are in their life. So this is definitely a manifestation of coming, of your love. This is definitely a prayer coming true. I also feel this relationship is quite magical in some way. You guys are like, they complete your sentences when you say something, or when they are about to say something, you can understand. I see a lot of talking within the eyes. You guys have a, I don't know how to say this. You guys understand each other without words, and which is wonderful. I also feel that this person is this connection is quite magical. There is something special about this connection. There is something special about you and the person, and especially the energy together you both create. This relationship creates a very magical energy. I also feel your person has definitely manifested you, or you have been trying to bring this person into your life. So if this is a new person, yes, this is an answer to your prayer. And if this is somebody from the past, yes, they were definitely a manifestation, something you prayed for. I also feel like this person or this relationship, this person is somebody who is quite spiritual. They believe in spirituality, or they believe in the laws of energy. They believe in the laws of karma. What comes goes, what goes about comes back. They believe in all those kind of things. So they are quite a special. They are if she's a woman, she could be spiritual. She could be into astrology, laws of energy, universal laws and all those kind of things. And even if he's a man, he definitely understands karma, all these things, energy, karma, manifestations, attractions. They understand it, whether they call it this or they call it something else. They are understanding of this. They understand life in a higher way. All right, let's see, is he or she the one? Yeah, I do feel that there is some sort of a confusion going on right now in this connection. You are not sure, uh, you know and they are not sure also, your person, whether you guys, I feel it's not like they are confused about you. It is more like you might be from different religion, culture, which is causing problems. It is also like your person might be they have many choices, like their priorities work. I feel this person is somebody who is very busy at work, so they might have to choose from work and between you. So there is this confusion going on. I also feel this person and you have certain confusions. You are like, I don't know if will this work out, will we get married. They are also there, the same thinking, will this work out, will we get married. I do feel this person has a lot at stake, in the sense like they could be from a different religion, culture. They love you, they want you, but family is a problem, culture is a problem, religion is a problem, their work is a problem, long distance is a problem. So other factors are affecting this connection. Oh my god, the devil. Yes, this person is definitely obsessed about you. They love you to the heart, to the moon. This person is absolutely head over heels about you. And I also feel this person is quite a workaholic. They are very ambitious. They are very committed to their work. They are someone who works all night, all day. And sometimes you may even wonder, do they even love me? Because this person is always working. Where am I? I'm not important to him or her. So it's not like that. It's just that this person is a workaholic. They always, you are at the same place, work and love are at the same place. I also feel that sometimes you may feel like, this is just a lusty connection, because there is a lot of sexual chemistry in this connection. No wonder you chose this red. You definitely feel like, is this just lust? Because there is a lot of sexual chemistry, there is a lot of potential, there is a lot of passion in this connection. You guys are magnetically, I can feel this heat, I'm sweating. You guys are very, very drawn to each other. Your bodies react to each other. I also feel like you guys have a problem. Like, is this the one? Is this my manifestation? Or is this just a lustful connection? What is happening? What's going on? So, you are a little confused about that also. Another thing I'm getting is like your person, if she's a woman, she might be into spirituality, witchcrafting, spells, and all those kind of things. Don't get scared, because she's good at it. So don't get scared. I do feel like, or you may be the one, our viewers could be the one trying those things, because I do get that thing, like there is someone who is spiritual here. There is someone, both of you or one of you. Let's see what else. So I also feel like, this person could be dependent on some things, like they have certain issues, like, they drink a lot, they work a lot, they are into too much upset, too much passion, they just can't control themselves. Or when they work, they forget time, they forget everything. So that is also some sort of an imbalance here. So that is also adding to the confusion. Is he or she the one for you? Six of Swords. Yes, I do feel that this person is trying to balance their energy. Definitely. This connection is definitely highly magnetic. There is a lot of attraction, but there are also certain excessiveness in this relationship, intensity, which may not be right. So you need to work on it. I do feel there is a chance this connection will get better. There will be healing happening in this connection. I do feel it will happen. If this is especially a long distance connection, your person wants to bridge the gap between you and them. They want to come towards you, they want to meet you, they want to tell you that this is not just lust, this is not just like I want to, this is not just hanky panky. They are serious about you, they mean business, they want love, they want commitment. I do see this person will want to change for you for the better. This person definitely wants to make this relationship something that can work out in the future. Oh my god, Four of Wands. Definitely they want marriage, they want commitment. This is the one for you. I do feel that, this person, or you both are talking about marriage, or marriage is being discussed, or you will discuss marriage in this connection. But the problems are not about you and this person. The problems are coming from the external sources: religion, culture, different age groups, long distance, or family issues. So that is a problem. Another thing I'm feeling is that you may have, or this person or you may have been married, or you both are kind of married. So it is like, it is like, should we do this, should we not do this? So there is some confusion happening, but I do feel this person is the one, because there is the Four of Wands. Definitely this is the one for you. You will end up marrying this person, but some sort of a balance needs to happen right now, because this relationship is very intense. Very intense, very, very intense. You both are, very intense people. So it needs to balance out. You need to work things out. You need to, like, if someone is doing some rituals, witchcrafting, you need to stop that. I'm sorry for being so honest, but yeah, someone is really, both of you are obsessed about each other. I don't think so you can live without each other. Absolutely not. Marriage is, this person is definitely the one for you. And look at that, the Ten of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel this could be a secret connection for some of you. You are trying to hide this or protect this connection away from family and friends, because somewhere people do not approve of this connection, or this is not the right time to tell people about it. Maybe this person is like there is an age gap between you or them, or you both are married, as I told you, or you both like they are married, you are not. So that those things. But this is definitely the person. They are the one for you because they have long term feelings for you. They definitely want to invest money in you. They want to take care of you. This is the person who will buy a home for you just to keep you there. And also, this is the person who will also, this is the person who will invest money with you. Like if you need monetary help, they will help you. If you need emotional help, they will help you. As long as they will, they will do everything as long as you don't leave them. This person is scared of being alone. This person doesn't want to be alone, so they definitely want to be with you, and there is a strong chance this is the one for you. Oh my god, Two of Cups. So, definitely, if this is a new crush, yes, there is a long term potential here. I also feel that you could you could have met each other through a marriage, matrimony site or something, or through a dating site. But I do feel you will end up marrying this person. There is a very strong chance here. You may have started as friends, you may have started as dates, or something like that, or you may have, it may be the other way around. Like you started as matrimony sites, you started with the talk of marriage, but eventually you fall in love with each other, so that's for sure. And if this is a new crush, this person wants to take things forward with you. They want to date you, marry you, have kids with you, build a foundation, build a life, a legacy with you. So definitely that is there. And the Fool, yes, this person dreams of a new future with you. They dream of a start with you. They dream of how life will be when you guys are together, how your home will be, the home, the sweet home, the puppy, the kids, how everything will be. They definitely think about all those things. I feel this person can see anything, but they can't see you go away. That's their biggest fear in life. So this is definitely the one for you. And the Five of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel that there are some hurdles in this connection. Even though this is a very intense and a magical connection and something you have manifested or prayed for, there will be some issues that you need to block, hurdles that you need to cross over. For some of you, it is like your person is obsessed about money. No matter how much they have, they never feel it's enough, so they need to balance that. For others of you, it could be different religion, culture, which is becoming a problem in your marriage. Or it could be like your person or you are married, either of you, one of you is married, so that is a problem. So some hurdles are there, you need to work them out. And look at that, the Empress. My god, this is definitely a very, very intense connection. And I do feel this person dreams of being your, making you the wife, the husband, making you, having a baby with you. They see you as this queen, as this king, as the Empress, as the emperor of the heaven. They just can't let you go. They feel you are angelic. They feel you are the one for them. They feel you have the universe at your feet. So they definitely care for you a lot. And I do feel that maybe this was somebody you were married in the past or you had children with. I also feel maybe if you were unlucky in love in the past, this is the person who is the right one for you. And you have waited a long time, maybe 3 years, 10 years, 7 years, 8 years for this relationship. And they definitely will give you all the happiness that you desire, that you want. It has taken you long, but you will definitely find all the happiness. So let's clarify the Empress. The anchor. See, you guys, this person will be your anchor, friends. Number 35 is important. This person is definitely your anchor. They are heaven sent for you to make stabilize your life, to give you all that comfort, happiness, joy, a family, a home, a house to protect you, a roof over your shoulders, head, a roof over your head, and warmth in your heart. That's what they are here for. I also feel this person could have tattoos and everything, piercings, tattoos, long hairs. Choices, yeah, I do feel like you may have felt like this is, they definitely have a choice, or you have a choice between lovers. Also, you may feel like this person is a playboy or something, they are not serious about you. Garden, yes, this person wanna take care of you. Number 20 is there, number 22 is there. They definitely wanna protect you, take care of you. Let's clarify the devil. Oh, the lady. So yeah, I do feel that this person is, if you are a woman, they definitely adore your beauty, and you know that. Like, this person just can't keep their hands off you. Even if she's a woman, she just can't let you go. She's obsessed about your body, and you have to accept it. All right, that's that was some explicit information. Clouds. So this person is very dreamy about you. They dream a lot about you. They think a lot about you. The Ten of Pentacles. Let's clarify that. Lilies. Yes, they want you for life. That's for sure. There is a very strong chance you guys will end up marrying each other. Gratitude. Wow, this person feels very, very grateful that they have met you in life, and they feel like you are a prayer, answered prayer. I'm thankful for this life and the opportunity that it presents. Wow, this person is like, wow, I'm so glad I met you. You are the one for me. And regret, I know that I cannot change the past. Wow, if this person has let you down in some way, they really regret it, friends. I think their biggest fear is to let you see go. To see you go anywhere, to just, they can't dream about it. This person will go crazy if you leave them. They regret it. If they made a mistake, it is their biggest regret of the life. Big picture, number 23. So I do feel that right now, if you are focusing on every day and you are being very microscopic about things, don't be. This is a time to look at the bigger picture. Things may not be working right now, but they may work out in this connection in the future. Something is being aligned for you and this person. So keep your patience. Keep this plan according to your future. That's what I would say. Big picture. Blossom, number 20. Again, 20 is here. We had another 20, right? We had another 20. Yeah, lady, number 20. The garden, sorry. The 20 number. So 2023 are important. Blossom, yes. I do feel this connection has a lot of potential, and things will change and things will blossom for you in this connection. And I do feel this connection is magical. You have to understand this is a very intense connection, and a very high chance you guys will end up marrying. They are the one for you. Let's see some advice for you. Let me just take some other cards also. So is he or she the one for our viewers? Okay, my god, the cards just clumping. Is he or she okay? Let's take that. Oh my god, beyond the mind, the heart beats. Did you notice something? I don't think so you noticed it, but I did. Look at that. The card back and the front are the same. So you guys are mirrors of each other. You guys are one heart, one soul. Beyond the mind, the heart beats. So this person is like, I don't know, I can be anywhere, but you beat within me. So you guys are like definitely twin flames, soulmates. Wow, you guys are very intense. You are definitely in each other. Collaborative dreaming. See, this person keeps dreaming about you. I feel they get visions about you, your body, dancing with you, playing with your hair, about your future. You also dream a lot. I told you, right? Both of you are very spiritual, or you guys are very into mystics. Mystics like witches or something like that. Let me just shuffle the cards. These cards clump a lot. What do you feel? Wow. I do feel, that there is a potential. This is definitely the person you are going to end up with, but you have to balance out what you are manifesting, because you guys can manifest anything in this connection, whatever you want. So it is up to you also what you want really in this connection. Let's see some advice for you. Finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. Oh my god, this is a very spiritual connection. Wow, you have to look within. This person is this relationship is definitely like a sanctuary to you. You both are each other's peace. You both are each other's. This person is also very, this relationship is also very intense, so it is forcing you to look within, look into yourself. That is where you will find the solutions, or you will know where this relationship is going, what is going to happen next. Because beyond the mind, the heart beats, opening to your spiritual source. So look within, that is where you know the what will happen. They connect with you, this person and you are connected, your auras are connecting always. Trust, this situation is calling for you to have faith. I do feel you have lost hope in this connection, you have lost faith, but trust in it. Things will get better. And especially connect with, meditate, you will know what is there, what is the solution. Playfulness to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So yes, it is time to focus on the lighter side of life, the fun and the happiness. So let's take your romance love messages from this person, what they want to say to you. Oh, they definitely want you to meditate because they surely don't want to say anything on the cards. Okay, finally. They are like, don't forget to meditate. I'll talk to you on the meditation. I'll call you while you meditate. All right. Let's see, friends. Let me take some more. Anything wanna come out? Come on. Come on. Oh, this person is like, go, meditate. All right. You value everything I share. Yes, I do feel this person and you guys, you see, they have both the same teddy bears, they have the same, almost similar height. I feel this person is like, can you, whatever is happening right now, that is also important and that is also valuable in this connection. Whether you are in separation, not talking, or whether you are in communication, or everything is important right now. Joyful, your joyful heart is a good medicine for me. Oh my god, look at that. So cute. Yeah, this person can be anywhere, but they don't want you to leave them. That's for sure. That will make them go crazy. Romance, the revolution in our story is the real romance. Yeah, this is a revolutionary story. Maybe you guys are from different age groups, or this is a same sex relationship, or this is a long distance connection, or this is something like you met on the first matrimony, you were strangers, you just got married and you fell in love. So this is the revolution in your story, is the romance. Best friend, you are my best friend forever. Wow, that's so sweet. And out of all the curves of your body, your smile is my favorite. I think our viewers were definitely, this is lust. This person is not good. This is lust, the devil. They are lusting after us. They don't love us. Out of all the curves of your body, your smile is their favorite. So there they give you a clarification. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye. So friends, if you choose option number 3, let us see, is he or she the one for you? Let's see, for those who chose this beautiful golden leaf, let's see, it's beautiful. These are your oracle messages, advice, some love messages, and I will be pulling some love messages from here. So let's keep them here. So let's see, is he or she the one for you? Let's start. All right. Wow. Okay, I do feel like this could be a new connection for some of you, or this person is somebody who wants to reconnect with you in a new way. I do feel that there is some potential here. This could be like you guys know each other from work, or you have studied together. There is a work or study connection here. I do feel for some of you this is a new connection. Somebody you have met recently and you feel, yeah, this person is good. They can be trusted. This person is like, you feel like, yeah, they have some value. This will go someplace. For others of you, this could be somebody from the past who wants to restart with you, but you know this person through work, through career, through studying, all those kind of things. Let's see what else. I do feel like, this person definitely sees value in you, because Ace of Pentacles is like they value you. They want to invest their time, their money, their energy, their love, their care, their affection in this connection. So that's how they feel right now. Eight of Cups. Yeah, I do feel that you guys have been coming from a recent breakup. Our viewers, you may have recently broken up with a person or a connection, or maybe in the past you had a lot of wrong people or wrong connections. So you are a little, walking on the eggshells here. You are a little worried. Will this again be a heartache? Will this again go down the drain? Will this again be all over this heartache and everything? Will this again be that? I also feel for some of you, this could be a past person who wanna come back, or who is already back in your life. Let's see. Or you could be asking about your person, your past person, like could they have been the, is he the one, is she the one for you? Let's see. All right. So I do feel, friends, you had been through tough times, you had been through tough times, endings. I also feel that both of you, you and this person, had a tough past. Both of you had very tough past. Both of your trust had been broken, your hearts had been broken, but I do feel this is of the past energy. This is not the new energy. This is something you are coming out or you have recovered from. I do feel, this could be somebody from the past who had a breakup with you, who left you, who ghosted you, ignored you. Now they want a re-chance, or now they want a new chance with you. But you are not sure. You're not sure because you went through this horrible breakup with them. So you are like, what is going on? Now you want to come back? Why? Out of after all this time, you want to come back? Why? Let's see. Ace of Rods, yeah, I do feel that this person feels very strongly about you. They are very passionate about you. They feel they can talk anything to you. They feel very stimulated about when they are with you, when they talk with you. They like your mind, they like your face, they like your smile. I do feel you guys attract a lot of people, a lot of attention, and this guy or this person who is, you are asking about, they are very attractive. They are also very attractive. They attract a lot of people, a lot of attention. There are two aces here. So definitely this person not only is interested in you, even if they are a crush, they are not just interested. They see some value, some potential, and some long-term investment in this connection. Even if this is somebody from the past, they are coming back because not just there is attraction or love, but because they want to commit something to you. So let's see what else. Wow, the Lovers. So yeah, I do feel there will be a choice for you, friends. Yes, there will be a choice for you. Maybe you will have to choose between two lovers. So you are currently with somebody and there is a past lover also coming, or you are currently with somebody but a new person is also coming. So there is a choice coming to you, definitely in love. So you have the choice to choose from one person or the other. So there is not just one person for you, the right one. You will have a choice. Or you will have two right persons, like you are married twice, or you are very intensely in relationship with one person, but then you find another one, and that is the one you will end up with. So there is a choice here. It depends on you whom you will choose. The past, the new, which one? I also feel whoever this person is, they really, really feel very connected to your mind. They feel like you understand them. They feel very attracted to your mind, to your intelligence. Because the Ace of Pentacles, it reminds me that they like you, the way you work, the way you dress up, the way your mind thinks, the way you are intelligent, the way the conversations are. This person finds it all very stimulating. They like you in that way. The Sun, yes, I do feel this person could be somebody very popular. This person could be a celebrity or somebody who is very famous or known in their work. I also feel our viewers are somebody who is very known and very famous. Together this connection is quite a sunlight. Together this connection is very, very, perfect. You guys are perfect for each other. And also this person could be your divine masculine, your divine feminine, your twin flame. So that is also there. Another thing I'm feeling is that this person feels very positive when they are with you. They feel very energized, and I don't know about you, but this person definitely finds that they feel very happy, very positive, very energized, very inspired when they are with you. So that's why they want to be with you. This person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and this person is somebody who is very sure. They are very strong-willed. They don't make weak decisions. They are very very sure of what they want and how to get it. So if I do feel you have two people coming for you, and you will have to choose one of them. So one of them is somebody who is very strong-willed, somebody who is very sure about you and the future with you and what they want with you in the future or the potential of this connection. They are very very sure. The other person is from the past, which has hurted you in the past. Could be a twin flame, a lover, an ex-husband, wife, whatever. And look at that. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person which is coming towards you. The King of Cups, yes. I do feel you have a choice, friends. It's up to you which one you will choose, but there will be a choice. So they both are the right people for you, or one of them is the right one for you. But which is, you have to decide. I also feel one person is very logical and the other person is very emotional. The person from the past, you feel emotionally attracted. The person which is new or which is very strong and clear about this connection, that is quite, you feel like you can talk with them, they are your best buddy, you can say anything to them, you work together, you study together, but there is not chemistry, there is no emotional connection there. So that's the catch. That's the catch. Which one will you choose? The one which you are friends with, the one which your heart wants. Which one is it? Hanged Man. Yes, I do feel that it will take you some time to decide which is the right one for you. I also feel that it will take you uh, you know give each relationship some time, because then you decide, because this is not the right time. If you decide quick, it is not the time. Also, if somebody is keeping you stuck in a relationship, hanged in a relationship, like it is not moving, it is just waiting, pause, stuck relationship, then definitely that's not the one for you. Because the one who is for you is a positive relationship, it is a new person for you. It is someone who commits, who is always there for you. There is quick movement in that connection. Two of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel that you're gonna be seriously very busy, because both of the people will want to know you. They will both want to chase you, or you will actually have two people chasing you, and you will have to decide which one is it. So get ready. You are going to get busy, friends. You are going to get busy. If your love life was dull, it's not going to be so anymore. It's going to be very busy. And the Six of Pentacles. So yeah, I do feel this person, there are two people, but one of them wants to invest in you. They also want to give you their time, their energy, their love. They have a strong potential of future with you. They definitely, how will you recognize this relationship? They feel positive with you. You will feel happy and energized and positive with that person. Then there is another person who keeps you stuck, who keeps you waiting, where you feel emotional, but they never never accepts your emotion, never returns back. I don't know how to say this, but only one of them is the right one for you. So you'll have a choice. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, you have to decide, friends. There is, there are certain toxic connections in your life which you need to end, and you need to accept the right one for you. Or your person could be in a toxic connection from the past, and they need to say bye-bye to them. That also needs to happen. So definitely number 10 is important. Clarify the Two of Pentacles. Choices number 22. Definitely, I also feel that you guys are both busy. So, one of you have to choose between work and love, friendship and love, so you have to choose here. Lily, spiritual love, yeah. Also, you might be, it could also be this is the right person, but you are still missing somebody from the past. So this could also be that. Hanged Man, clarify the Hanged Man. The Clouds. Yeah, you're definitely missing somebody from the past, but I don't think that's the right one for you, fish. Yeah, that's an illusion. That's something, number 34. That's kind of an emotional connection, but is it the balance connection? I don't think so. Clarify the is oh my god. See, the cards just dropped out. Book. Yeah, somebody wants to know you. Ace of Rods. They want to be with you. They want to connect you over a coffee date or something, or they want to know you better. The key. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is trying to find a way into your life. I do feel this past person is also trying to find a way into your life, into your heart again. The sun. Clarify the sun. The stars. Look at that. So definitely, friends, there are two people coming for you, and it is up to you. And one of them could be a celebrity or very popular person, or you guys have a big social group together, so you guys kind of know each other. I also feel whoever is the one for you, they are sure about it, and you will feel happy with that person. So that's a sure sign, and there is a choice here. You will definitely have a choice. Oops, sorry. Who is the right person? Is he or she the right person? Is he or she the one for our viewers? Visions of life beyond death. Oh, you could have been missing somebody from the past, friends. You feel they were the right one for you. Yes, definitely. But I feel, the past is past. Number 44. 444. Angel number is here. So it is important. Is he the right one? Is he or she the right one? Against the grain, number 4. Again, 4 is here. So, my God, 444. It is about stability. It is about structure. I do feel, that maybe, the person from the past is the right person for you. You feel very connected to go after them, to find them, to be with them, to. Definitely, you feel a lot of passion for that connection, and you guys are soulmates. You guys have a special connection with the person from your past. But maybe this is somebody who has crossed over from this life, transitioned. But or maybe they have left your life in some way. Okay, let's see. Pandora's gift, but I feel like you are missing out something. There are new people coming into your life who are perfect for you. To focus on that, there is somebody new coming for you after the storm. Yes, so a new start is coming for you. You need to focus on that. Don't chase things which are not meant for you. New birth, guarded vigilantly. Yes, a new birth is coming for you, and it will happen for you very shortly. Even though you may not be able to see it right now, it will still happen for you, friends. Let's see. Oh wow, change. A new change is coming in your life. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So, a positive change, a new shift is coming, and it has not been an easy shift for you. This is definitely a difficult time and a time of confusion, emotional intensity, but you will recover from this storm. Discipline, yes, you need to stay confident, friends. You need to stay tough, and you need to stay balanced, because your desire to choose the past or to go back and chase it is very strong. But I feel the one right person for you is the new one, or the one that you have not yet met. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Or if you are already asking about the new person, yes, then they are the one for you. You have to work with discipline. Heart healing, number 5. Your heart will heal, friends. Yes, your hearts will heal. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I do feel some tears you are crying maybe right now. Some those tears are necessary right now. I don't want you to be sad, but things heal. Things will get better for you. There is love for you for sure. And let's see what else. Throat chakra, number 5. So, yes, I do feel someone important is coming for you. Someone which will tell you every day how much they love you, how much they mean to you. If somebody from the past is returning, they need to express their emotions, they need to express their heart. They have a lot of things they need to tell you. Let's see your advice. Uncovering treasure beneath the surface lies great bounty. So I do feel that there are a lot of things which are available to you, new relationships, new paths opening for you. I also feel you have to look within. uh, you know You may be attracted to people who are beautiful or who look, when we are kids, we like candies which are colorful. Every kid or baby is drawn to colors, but candies of color, rich colors, the more colorful the better it is, no matter how bad the taste is. So don't do that. Look beyond appearances, look deep. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Beneath the surface lies bounty. All right, let's take some Romance Angels messages. That was some reading, friends. Really, you have to tell me what's going on. Attraction. See, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So, definitely, you attract a lot of people, because I do see 2, 3 people here. You're attracting a lot of people. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive change and faith will bring you romance. Keep an open mind. Friends, I again feel you have set your mind on somebody, but that's not the one. Or maybe that's the one, but keep an open mind still. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Ultimately, even if you feel, it's your free choice, friends. If you feel the past one or the current one is the right, go for it, friends. I'm just channeling here. This is a general reading. You can buy a personal one, which is more specific to your questions. Love message for our viewers. Okay, what does this person want to say? You definitely want to say something. You have a throat chakra. All right, let's see. Oh my God, love. What I love about you is, they love you from A to Z, in the sense like they love you like in all alphabets, they love you like a book. There is something about books, and, we have a book here. Libraries, books, schools, colleges, something like that. They love everything about you from A to Z. That's what they are trying to say there. I got numb when you kiss me, numb, comfortably numb, yes. And without, I can't live without you. Oh my God, you both are missing each other. Definitely, if you are missing them, they are also missing you. Value, you value everything I share. This card came in everything, in all the piles. I mean, the revolution in our story is real romance. So yeah, definitely there is a lot of rebellion. I think you want to go back to this person and just win them, because that's what you want. You want to win this connection. You feel so deeply. Dream, you are my dream that comes true. Wow. XOXO, I love you, XOXO. I think there is a song also called XOXO. You should listen to that. Endearing, you have such an endearing personality. This person is in head over heels in love with you, friends. And I hope it helps you out in some way. And subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.